Hey, I'm kind of glad you didn't pick up. I kind of just called to hear your voice, so your voice recording was enough. But, I miss you.
Let's go!
I've been thinking about our love and how much I miss your touch. I miss being around you, hearing your laugh and holding your hand. I think of you every day. I hope and I wish that you're doing okay. I want to go back to the old days because I miss you. You crossed my mind and I took that as a sign that I should call and say hi.
There you go! Come on! You got this, you got this! Yes! What do you want? Come on! Let's go! Never give up! Never in your life give up! Keep driving through the goddamn pain! Muscle through the pain! Muscle through the goddamn pain!
If you're putting like weak ass effort, you're not gonna see shit, bro. So fucking go off, put everything you have, and you will see fucking gains, baby. Eat that fucking meal, stop being a bitch, get that last rep in, and fucking go hard every fucking day.